Jeremy Clarkson has given an update on his health, revealing that he recently had to have an MRI scan of his head. The 63-year-old TV presenter and journalist took to his column to talk about his experience of undergoing the scan earlier this week. He explained that Grant didn't begin to cover it as he was placed inside the scanner, and being unable to move gave him the sudden urge to scratch his nose. Describing the moment the machine was switched on and the noise started, he wrote in The Sun, "At first it sounded like a naval flotilla arriving back at its home port after a successful battle, and then, just as I got sort of used to this, it started making the sort of noises normally associated with hardcore thrash metal clubs." Ole Willoughby shares heartbreak after death of beloved family member. Latest, he went on to say, "And then it sounded like I was in Keith Moon's drum kit, and then underneath a hovering Harrier. And I couldn't help thinking that if we are capable of building a machine that can use radio and magnetic waves to look inside someone's head, surely we must be able to fit the damn thing with a silencer. I went into it feeling fine. And came out with a headache that measured 9.8 on the Richter scale. Don't miss. Gogglebox favorites Dave and Shirley rage as holiday turns into a shambles. Latest, TV legend Fiona Phillips diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease. Latest, Johnny Depp makes drastic U-turn with Disney after feeling of betrayal. Latest, Jeremy did not explain why he had to have the scan but has previously commented about his past experiences with the machines. He told The Sun in 2021, "I spent 2 hours in an MRI. They play videos for you now. I watched the whole of Iron Man. They give you headphones and project it onto these goggles. And while I did, they looked at every single bone and everything inside me. So that was good." But the TV star, who has also taken up farming in recent years, remarked, "What I am really worried about is that if you get really fat, you have to use a horse MRI at the vets." Jeremy blamed his weight struggles on quitting smoking. He quit the habit after suffering a bout of pneumonia and being admitted to hospital during a family holiday in Mallorca. Express.co.uk have contacted Jeremy's representatives for comment.